Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 6 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantor Publisher official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 3. He's a carpenter. SLOs of this lesson are: recognize function of and use of possessive and reflexive pronouns. We have discussed the pronouns, the personal pronouns in our previous lesson. Now we will discuss the possessive pronouns. Pronouns is a part of speech which replaces the nouns. Noun is a name, person of place and thing, like he, she, it, they, you, we. And today we will discuss the possessive pronouns. What is a possessive pronoun? A possessive pronoun is a part of speech that attributes ownership to someone or something, like any other pronoun. It substitutes a noun phrase and can prevent its repetition. I told you it when we avoid repetition of noun, we use pronoun. And what is possessive? Possessive shows the ownership to someone or something. पोजेसिव क्या है? प्रोनाउंस और नाउंस का आपस में ऑनरशिप को शो करता है किसी इंसान या किसी चीज के साथ, रिलेशनशिप को शो करता है या शो करता है कि कोई नाउन या प्रोनाउन जो है कोई चीज पोजेस करता है, मतलब ये उससे ताल्लुक रखती या उसकी है. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल, माइन, योर्स, हर्स, देयर्स. उर्दू में अगर इसको हम ले लें, मेरा, उस, तुम्हारा, उसका, उनका, तो क्या है? ये ऑनरशिप और रिलेशनशिप को शो कर रहा है दो प्रोनाउंस के दरमियान कि कौन सी चीज किससे ताल्लुक रखती है या किसकी मलकियत है. सो लुक एट हियर, वी कैन यूज अ पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन इंस्टेड ऑफ अ नाउन फ्रेज हियर. लुक एट हियर द एग्जांपल, द किड्स आर योर्स एंड माइन. सो वी हैव टू पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन हियर. द किड्स बिलोंग्स टू योर्स, to you and mine, to me here. So we have a relationship between the kids noun here and the two persons here, you and me here. So we have a connection of these with the possessive pronouns with the noun kids here. Kids are noun here and these two, yours and mine, is a pronoun here. And we have a relationship between this noun and possessive pronouns here. Now look at the second example. The house is theirs and its paint is flecking. Here the house is noun phrase. Phrase means the group of 2 or 3 words which don't have the proper meaning, but it is important to make a sentence here. Like the kids. The kids are a combination of 2 words here. It's not important one. It doesn't convey full meaning, but it's an important part of a sentence. Phrase is a group of 2 or 3 words here. So, the house is a noun here and theirs is a possessive pronoun. ये क्या है? House क्या है? उनका है. अब ये क्या है? Ownership को show कर रहा है कि वो इस house के क्या है? Owner है, relationship है, possessive है, possession है. कोई चीज का होना आपके पास पोजेशन कहलाता है. आप किसी चीज के मालिक हो, वो चीज जो आपकी हो उसको पोजेशन कहते हैं. और इधर पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन है, प्रोनाउन जो हम नाउन की जगह लगाते हैं. तो हाउस इधर नाउन है और देयर्स इज ए प्रोनाउन एंड इट्स पेंट इज फ्लैकिंग. लुक एट द थर्ड एग्जांपल, वी शैल फाइनली हैव व्हाट इज राइटफुल ours. What is rightful here is a noun and ours is a possessive pronoun here. Their mother gets along well with yours. Here we have also the personal pronouns here. You can see we and their, but here the yours is a possessive pronoun here. Always remember that in possessive pronoun, except mine here, we have s here to show the possession here, to show the relationship, belonging of something to someone. You can see the S here, the use of S here, in your and our and theirs and yours. So their mother gets along well with yours. Mother is a noun here and belongs to here. Yours gets along. Now look at the exercise of possessive pronoun here on page number 33. Choose the correct possessive pronoun into the gaps in the second sentences in each question to give it the same meaning as the sentence before it. These two sentences are related to each other. They are talking about the same thing here. So, they have the same meaning here. दोनों का एक जैसा मतलब है, लेकिन हमने क्या इधर करेक्ट possessive pronoun चूज करना है जो रिलेशनशिप को भी शो करे. I didn't have my umbrella, so Maria lent me her umbrella. I didn't have my umbrella, so Maria lent me what? Mine umbrella, hers umbrella, his umbrella or yours umbrella. Here, yes, the right answer will be hers because I didn't have my umbrella. So Maria lent me her umbrella. Here we will show the relationship between the umbrella and the Maria. That Maria owned an umbrella and she lended her to me here. So we will choose hers here, the possessive noun, because it shows the possession of umbrella which belongs to Maria. इधर जो umbrella है मारिया को बिलोंग करती है और possession शो कर रही है. S है इधर hers, तो हम ये वाला चूज करेंगे. Look at the second one. Her car is faster than my car. Her car is faster than, मतलब दोनों का एक जैसा, लेकिन हमने दूसरे वाले में क्या है, रिप्लेस करना है नाउन को इधर, नाउन या प्रोनाउन को. इधर क्या है, हर कार इज फास्टर देन माई कार एंड हर कार इज फास्टर देन. अब हमने कार को क्या करना है, नाउन है कार इधर, इसको हमने क्या करना है, वी हैव टू रिप्लेस इट बाय पुटिंग पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन हियर. अब यहां पर हमने क्या करना है, उसकी कार मेरी कार से ज्यादा तेज है. ओवर्स तो आएगा नहीं, ओवर्स हमारे के लिए यूज होगा, देयर उनके लिए, और हिज इधर मेल के लिए यूज होगा. तो इधर यूज होगा माइन, मतलब मेरे से ज्यादा उसकी कार तेज है, तो इधर माइन आएगा. वेरी गुड. लुक एट द थर्ड वन. दैट्स अफजल्स कार एंड दिस इज माई कार. दैट्स अफजल्स कार एंड दिस इज, अब कार को दोबारा से रिप्लेस करना है. हियर द सब्जेक्ट इज माई, हियर माई आ रहा है, Afzal is also a subject. So what we will do? Yes, mine. That's Afzal's car and this is mine. Look at the fourth one. That food is cat's food and not their food. That food is cat's food and it's not. We have to refer to the pronoun, the plural form here. Not his, not her, not ours. Theirs. Pronoun. Possessive pronouns here. Because we have their here. So what will be the possessive pronoun? Yes, theirs here. I want you to do the rest sentences by yourself. Now look at the reflexive pronoun here on page number 34 of your textbook. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns that refer back to the subject of the sentence or clause. Clause is a simple sentence. Simple sentence have subject, verb and object. It's called clause. They either end in self as in the singular form or selves as in the plural form. I hope you are familiar with the singular and the plural. Singular indicates to one item or one person and plural indicates to more than one item or person here. And with reflexive pronoun, we add self with the pronouns. In singular, we add self and the plural, we add selves. We have discussed this. If we have F here, so we have to make VES it to make it plural here. Look at the singular reflexive pronoun here. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. Plural is ourselves, yourselves, themselves. We use a reflexive pronoun as a direct object when the object is the same as the subject of the verb. He busied himself in the school. Here, he and himself is the same person here. So, the object and the subject is the same here. He and himself. Here, he and himself are the same. They are talking about the same person here. So, we will add himself, the reflexive pronoun here. with the preposition by to show that someone did something alone or without any help. preposition by लगा के हम क्या इंडिकेट करते हैं, शो करते हैं कि किसी ने जो है काम खुद किया है किसी की हेल्प के बगैर. by himself, by herself, by themselves, by ourselves, by itself, by herself, by himself. इस तरह. She walked home by herself. Now look at this example. She walked home by herself without help of anybody. He walked home by herself. खुद ही वो गई है घर बगैर किसी की मदद के. Now look at this. As indirect object, when the indirect object is the same as the subject of the verb, we have brought ourselves something to eat. इधर भी क्या है, सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब एक जैसा है, एक ही है, एक ही है दोनों, एक ही के बारे में बात हो रही है, वी और ourselves. हम अपना खाना खुद लेकर आए हैं, कुछ खाने के लिए खुद ही लेकर आए हैं. Now look at this. As the object of a preposition, when the object refers to the subject of the class. Subject इधर क्या है, the. They had to cook for themselves. So we have added for here the preposition. I know you people know the use of preposition. Preposition shows the relationship or shows the direction of the nouns and pronouns. So here the is a subject, for is a preposition, and themselves is a reflexive pronoun here. The and the themselves is talking about the same person here. Look at the last one. To emphasize the person or thing we are referring to, Quetta itself is quite a small town. Person or thing के लिए sometimes and usually we add itself to refer the things. Quetta itself, here the Quetta is a city, itself is a reflexive pronoun here. Itself, Quetta is itself is quite a small town. Look at the exercise of reflexive pronouns here. Choose the correct reflexive pronouns to complete each sentence. We don't have to go out. We can fix dinner. Here, the subject is we. Yes, the personal pronoun here. We don't have to go out. We can fix dinner. हमें बाहर जाना नहीं पड़ेगा. हम खाना क्या कर सकते हैं? We can fix dinner. Yes, ourselves है. हम खुद अपना खाना बना सकते हैं. We is referring to more than one people. It's a plural here. So, ourselves, they are indicating to themselves, to their own self. So, that's why we have choose ourselves here. Look at the second one. She wanted to impress her friends, so she baked a cake. Here, subject is she wanted to impress her friend. So she baked a cake. वो अपनी दोस्त को इम्प्रेस करना चाहती थी, तो उसने क्या किया, खुद ही केक बनाया ना. योर सेल्फ नहीं आएगा. सो शी अगर सब्जेक्ट होगा और आगे भी वो एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट काम करेगा तो हमेशा हम हर सेल्फ लगाएंगे. अगर इसकी जगह ही होता तो हम हिम सेल्फ लगाते. ही के लिए हिमसेल्फ और शी के लिए herself. Now look at the third one. You are going to have to drive to school. Now you are. This is a subject, and what will be the reflexive pronoun of it? You are going to have to drive. तुम ही ने ड्राइव करना है स्कूल के लिए. Yes, yourself. For you, we will choose yourself as a reflexive pronoun here. Dear student, do this sentences by yourself. This is your homework from summer pack. There is an activity of possession object and words showing possessions. From page number 18 of your summer pack. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.